this lecture we are going to talk about categories and how you can manage all your category at one place. So let's just open your browser and open your dashboard, and here we are at our favorite stunning dashboard. So let's just hover our post and click on category. This is the place where you can add and edit all of your category at once. So let's just understand this page. Here you can enter the name of your category. So for now I am going to enter, let's just say development, development. Let's just enter development, okay. And the slug will be the URL of your category. For example, your website name.com / your category name, which in this case is development. So we are going to enter the same in our slug, which will become the URL of our category. So this is a parent category. You can also make your category a child for a parent category. You can also choose your parent category for in here. So let's just select WordPress for now, and boom, this little development category will lie under the WordPress category. And you can add a description about your category, which I will recommend you to do, because some theme will show it, and it is good for SEO purpose. So always write some description, some short description, just like that, and you can click on add new category to add a new category. So let's just click on this button, and here you can see this long dash which says that it is a parent. Its parent is WordPress category. And here you can see the count button. What this count button says that this category has just one post, and this category has 0 because we didn't make maths as our category of any post. And this also says 1 because we have entered the WordPress category in our post. So that's how simple is to manage all your category. You can delete your category by clicking on this button. So let's just delete science, click on OK. You can delete your category, you can edit your category. So let's just say what press just for fun purpose, just click on update, and you can edit your category and click on back to categories to get back to your category page. And here we have changed the name of our category, and mention we didn't change the URL of our category. This is so amazing. WordPress is so customizable, it is so extensive, it is so intensive that you can manage everything on your own. You can change what you want. You don't need to change what you don't want to change. That's how simple is WordPress. So that was category, and this is the only thing which you need to know about category. That's it for now.